bring real world examples, use techniques in the classroom that give people a voice. So, get them to work in groups. I use a lot of dissonant thinking in my lectures where I go like, so we've been talking about this for a long time and here's something you should be able to handle, right? And usually in there's a trap, right? And the trap that it looks like they should be able to handle it, but actually there's something not quite right, or they are drawn to a certain answer and you say, well, you know what? This is not what you think. And that in a way, makes them go, what? And it's quite well established and studied, these sort of dissonant challenges actually wake up people's brain. They go, like, wait a minute, I thought I'd made some connections and sorted something out in my own head, but here's something new. And that actually primes the brain to go, all right, well, I need to edit something in there. And so my ears, my eyes, and my focus now is there because I need to settle this thing that's made me slightly uncomfortable. I don't think fully unstructured student-led works, or at least it works, but it probably takes longer. Like there's an optimal balance of the two. But you see that you give them enough and then they run with it. And sometimes they do creative, unexpected, amazing things. And you go, ha, that's great. That's not what I expected, but it is exactly what I wanted. You can be a really competent engineer and you're working or you're researching and you're tackling one problem. And you can become a super expert at that and solve it and be really successful at that one thing. The difference with teaching is that you're enabling that ability to be in the right place at the right time, catch the opportunity and apply advanced engineering knowledge, intuition, creativity, whatever, to a new problem times however many students you've actually managed to engage with. And to the core, that's actually the thing that motivates me. Students, you see you've given them this much and then they go, ha, now I can go do this or that, and be really successful and fulfilled in myself. At the end of all my courses, I have a few slides that go like, now you can ... And I go, so, you've struggled through this and it seemed hard, but if you've done your work, this is all the stuff you can do now you couldn't do 3-4 months ago. Is that exciting? Well, I hope it is, because you signed up to come to the course and that's what we thought you should walk away with, in terms of new skills.